Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to graph an exponential equation using the free graphing software Geogebra. No prior knowledge of using Geogebra is necessary. First, go to www.geogebra.org. This will take you directly to the Geogebra homepage. Click on Start Creating, and then you will be asked to sign in. Choose Google to sign in and use your school Google account. Click Sign In and then choose the algebra icon. You should see a set of axes on your screen. Select the Move icon and move Graphics View so that just the quadrant 1 is centered. Next, select the blue triangle and green circle icon over on your right in order to select the grid. Grid lines should appear. Next, select the 3 square vertical icon in order to select the spreadsheet, and the spreadsheet appear on the right. Next, you're going to enter in the values for the equation y equals 2 to the x power, and enter in the x values 0 through 6. Then enter the corresponding y values for that equation. Next, select all of these values that you just entered, and then go over to your left upper toolbar and select Create List of Points, and select Create. Those points should appear on the left and then should also appear on the graph. Now, in order to check these points, what we're going to do is put the equation y equals 2 to the x power into the input bar. You can also use the Move tool in order to check to see that all your points are there. Go ahead and enter in y equals 2 to the x power into your input and hit enter. And the exponential graph curve should appear to verify that your points are in fact on this graph. You can select this graph in order to change the color using that arrow icon in the upper left-hand corner and then selecting the color of your preference. Now we can try to graph other equations such as y equals 2 to the x plus 1 power and just check to see how those graphs differ from our original graph. We can change the color for those in order to differentiate them from the original. Try also entering in the equation y equals 3 to the x power and notice the change in that graph as well. Once we've tried different equations and seen how they all relate to one another, we can go ahead and delete any extraneous graphs that we created in order to be able to save this primary graph. In order to save, select the upper right-hand corner icon and you can put a title in for this graph and then click Save. And you're all set. Congratulations, you have learned how to graph an exponential function on GeoGebra.